Hello, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. In my previous video, we have discussed short answer question. And today in this video, we are going to discuss long answer question. So, first, let's discuss yesterday's homework. I have given you to write one word and two example. So, let's check that. Come to page number 49. In this, first you have written one word and then two example. Let's check the homework. Number first, this cover the top layer of earth. Means who covers the top layer of earth? Yes, soil. Soil, soil. Then next, second one, remains of dead plants and animals that makes the soil fertile. What we call that? Yes, humus. The uppermost layer of soil. Yes, the uppermost is topsoil. The layer below the topsoil means ऐसी लेयर जो topsoil के नीचे है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Subsoil. The layer below the subsoil means जो layer subsoil के भी नीचे है. There are three layers, right? The uppermost is topsoil, then below the topsoil, subsoil, and then below the subsoil, that is bedrock. Hope you have written the answer correctly. Now let's check two examples. Number first, animals that live in the soil. Means you have to give examples those animals who live in the soil. Yes, earthworm, ant, right? Then you also can write other example of animals which live in the soil. Second one, things that soil contains. Means things जो soil के अंदर होती हैं. Right? You can write air, water, organic matter. Yes, minerals. So you can write anything you like. I have written air and water. So now let's discuss long answer question. Number first, how is soil formed? Explain. Here you will explain how the soil is formed. Right? So soil is formed by the breaking up of rocks. Soil कैसे form होता है? Yes, जब rocks are break. Rocks develop crack in them. Right? जब rocks break होंगे उसके ऊपर cracks आएगी. Right? जब वो cracks आएगी because of heat of sun, rain, wind, उससे क्या होगा? Yes, they will break into smaller pieces. Then that smaller pieces they further break down to form the fine particles of soil. Right? So soil is formed by the breaking up of rocks. Then rocks develop cracks in them due to the heat of the sun, the rain and the wind. This rock break down into smaller pieces. These smaller pieces further break down to form the fine particles of soil. Come to second one. Describe the different layers of soil. We have learned about three layers of soil. What are they? Yes, topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. So here you are going to describe the layers of soil. Each layer you are going to write one sentences. Right? So the different layer of soil are topsoil. Topsoil is the uppermost layer of soil. Then second, subsoil. The layer which is below the topsoil is called subsoil. And number third, bedrock. The layer which is below the subsoil, it is called bedrock. Yes. Now come to third one. Describe how soil is useful to plants and animals. So here in this question you are going to write how soil is useful. Soil कैसे useful है plants के लिए भी और animals के लिए भी. Right. So first we will write about plants. So how soil is useful for plants? Yes, plants get water and nutrients from the soil. Right? वो मिलता है उसको plants को. And animals? Yes, soil is home of many animals. Right? They build their homes under the soil. So you will write the answer like this. Plants get water and nutrients from the soil. About animals, soil is the home of many animals such as earthworm, snails, ant, right, rabbit, moles, and rat build their homes under the soil. Number 4, how do we lose soil? We have learned, right, कि soil is losing from the earth. So why it is happening? क्यों होता है ये? Yes, because of heavy rains and flood. जब भी बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश आती है या फिर फ्लड आता है तो क्या होता है, जो टॉप लेयर होता है दैट इज़ टॉप सॉइल, राइट. जो टॉप लेयर होता है वो एकदम फर्टाइल होता है, राइट. और जब भी रेन आती है, फ्लड आता है तो क्या होता है, जो टॉप लेयर होता है वो वॉश अवे हो जाता है, राइट. तो वो सॉइल जो होती है वो पूरी चली जाती है. तो इससे क्या होगा, हमारे प्लांट्स ग्रो होंगे नहीं, राइट. So due to heavy rains and flood, the fertile top layer of the soil often get washed away, right, and leaving the soil less fertile. इससे soil क्या हो जाता है, less fertile हो जाता है. Because of this we lose soil. So we have completed the discussion of long answer question. Today your homework is to write this short answer question in notebook. ओके, आपका होमवर्क क्या है, ये शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन आप नोटबुक में लिखोगे. सो बाय, टेक केयर.